Hello, in this video, we will now look at the arrays and pointers. The array name actually is a const pointer. So look, here you declare this array list with 6 elements. Now, if you write the statement here, see what happens. I'm going to copy and paste and write the statement right here. So let's copy and paste into my program right here. So now let's print this now. You're going to see that is the starting address of the array. So this list is actually the starting address of the array. Now, this is an interesting association now. So we can now access the elements in the array using the pointer list, and this asterisk list points to the first element, so that's going to display 11. So now, what about the next one? The next one, what you're going to do is this list plus 1. So let's run this program, see if this is correct. So that is 11 and 12. So that's correct. So now let's go back to the book now. Okay. So here's the diagram. You can see this is the list, is the pointer to the array. So now you can access the elements using the array syntax, brackets 0, brackets 1, brackets 5, or using list plus 1, list plus 2. Now, plus 1, what is list 1 plus 1 means? So plus 1 is not a 1 byte, it is actually 4 bytes because this list is int. This list is each element is int. So compiler automatically recognize this, and when you do list plus 1, compiler knows it actually is plus 4, is for 4 bytes for one integer. So you go to next integer. So here is the example here. This is the address. So you can get the address now by using this list. And now you get the contents for each. This is the, I'm going to put this right here. This is the address here for each address here. List, and the next one, list plus 1, list plus 2. So look at all the address, the list for each element. And this is the get the contents from each element. So this is the address. And here is the value using the pointer syntax. And this is the same value. You access it using the array syntax. So please note that if you write it, this, put it asterisk list plus 1, which is different from this parenthesis list plus 1's asterisk. That's different. This will just add 1 byte. The address goes to the next one. So this will be 4. Pointers can be compared using relational operators, equal, not equal, less than or equal to. So this greater than and greater than or equal to determine their order. Let's look at this program here. We have a list. So now we're going to assign this list to this P. So now we're going to access this array through P. Now, early when we introduce array, we know that you cannot use this syntax to copy the array. Assign list 2 to list 1. No, you cannot. The reason is the array name is actually a const pointer. So you cannot assign a new pointer to it. So go back here. Now you look at this here. This is the array list. Now this is another array, list 1. You cannot assign list to list 1. This is wrong. Look at the syntax here. Expression must be a modifiable L value. So L value means the left value. On the left side, it's not modifiable, it's a const. We use the C string. Now you know the C string is also called the pointer-based strings. It's the array of characters. So you can use a pointer to access all the elements in a C string. So this is a C string here. This is a C string. City is a C string here now. You assign the string literal to city. And this pcity is a pointer now. You can also use this syntax. It's the same as the first line using the array syntax. This is the same. So that's all for this section on arrays and pointers. We will look at more applications of using pointers for array in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.